Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making something super delicious, Tiramisu Truffles. If you love tiramisu but hate waiting around for it, these truffles are the perfect quick fix. Here's what you'll need: 90 grams of sponge biscuits or ladyfingers, 60 grams of mascarpone, 25 milliliters of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder, 15 milliliters of very hot water, 25 grams of powdered sugar, and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Dissolve the coffee in hot water and let it cool completely. If you want, you can also use freshly brewed espresso instead. Next, whip the mascarpone and heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Add the powdered sugar and mix again until smooth. Slowly pour the cooled coffee and then fold it into the cream. Now crush the sponge biscuits into fine crumbs. A food processor is perfect for this, but if you don't have one, don't worry. You can simply use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin, just like I do here. Fold the crumbs into the cream mixture until it's all combined. Now, scoop out small portions of the mixture and shape them into balls. There should be about a teaspoon of mixture per truffle. Pop them in the freezer for about 20 minutes to firm up. If you want your truffles extra round, you can smooth them out after they chill. Now roll each truffle in cocoa powder to finish. And that's it! Your tiramisu truffles are ready to enjoy. You can find the full recipe in the description below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and stick around for more quick and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time!